बहुत ही अहम और महत्वपूर्ण टॉस फिर से जीता मुंबई ने। आदित्य तरे ने अच्छी शुरुआत की और फील्डिंग करने का निर्णय, और विदर्भा की पारी की पहली गेंद पर स्विंग देखने को मिला, किनारा लगा और शुरुआत हुई विदर्भा की इनिंग्स की 1 रन के साथ। डंडा गोल, पहला झटका यहां पर दिलाया धवल कुलकर्णी। दूसरी ही गेंद पर कप्तान फैज फजल को चलता किया, टॉस हारा और अब यहां पर अपना विकेट गंवाया। यह बेहतर हवा में खेला, पावर प्ले का फायदा और अर्जित कर लिए 4 रन जितेश शर्मा ने। कमाल का शॉट, ओहो बेहतरीन, बहुत ही उम्दा बल्लेबाजी यहां पर, कमाल की बल्लेबाजी, बहुत ही शानदार शॉट शर्मा द्वारा और ये छक्का। खूबसूरत शॉट खेला है यहां पर जितेश ने।
That's flicked away nicely. Good effort. Very good effort.
Brilliant stuff on the boundary. Clips it up. Rohan, they've got a 50 here in the first 6 and still 2 balls to go.
Magnificent shot.
Another punch down the ground. Another boundary.
Good use of his feet. He's got the elevation, got the distance, he's got maximum. That's... I'm not going to say pulled. I'm not going to say swept, but it's a shot in between sweeping and pulling, and it's gone for 4.
Medium pacer, big shout. Out is the call from the umpire. First ball for Shashank Singh.
He's got the ball to dart in. Big inside edge. No wonder he's disappointed. Not only is it 1 run less in his account, he's got to walk back. Unfortunate for Ganesh Satish. He goes for 25, 69 for 2. Excellent shot in the gap, 4 runs. Beautiful shot. Innovative cricket. Entertaining cricket. Also brings up Sharma's 50.
Oh, that's a terrific hit. Work to do and long on, misses it.
Beautiful.
Miscue, third man will come around and he takes it easily in the end. Herwadkar at third man had to come in at least 10 yards, 10 to 12 yards. And he completes the catch and the much needed wicket taken.
बढ़िया शॉट उठाकर मारा है और इसके साथ एक और सफलता। जहांगीर आउट होकर पवेलियन लौटते हुए दूसरी सफलता सागर त्रिवेदी के नाम।
2 wickets in the over. Ravi Jangid gone for 15.
किनारा और बाउंड्री, उठाकर मारा है गगनचुंबी और लीजिए स्टैंड में जा गिरी ये गेंद। वानखेड़े में और एक छक्का वानखेड़े द्वारा।
Oh, that's a tremendous hit. Lifts it straight to the fielder and he spills it. Herwadkar, the fielder, that was coming straight to him. Probably misjudged the pace of the ball. Last ball coming up. Bouncer attempted straight to the fine leg fielder, but it sails over him. 6 runs to finish the Vidarbha innings, and that takes them beyond 180 as well. 181 to be precise. They've played a terrific innings here. Both these players, Apurva Wankhede and Urvesh Patel, finishing off on 31, and Wankhede finishing off on 36. They've played tremendously well. Well, Mumbai need 182 runs to win in their allotted 20 overs.
Straight away off the mark, Akhil Herwadkar just straying onto the pads, gets into a good position. He works it nicely away for a boundary to get off the mark.
किनारा और ये आउट. अपनी गलती को सुधारा और पहला झटका यहां पर देने में सफल रहे स्वप्नील. स्वप्नील बांडीवर ने कमाल कर दिया. शुरुआत में 2 गेंद लेग स्टंप पर थी, लेकिन यहां पर सफल हुए.
Edwadka gone for 4. It's 5 for 1. Super shot that.
स्टेप आउट करके खेला इसे. बढ़िया शॉट.
Charging down the pitch, and he's admiring his shot. Shreyas Iyer has gone the distance as well. What a magnificent shot to end the over. 27 for 1 after 2.
कैच का कॉल था, कैच भी था और टपका दिया. ये महंगा साबित हो सकता है. उठाकर खेला है और कई बार ये गेम नाइंसाफ हो सकता है आपके विरुद्ध. ओहो हो. और एक छक्का यहां पर.
बढ़िया शॉट. 6 रन के लिए. बढ़िया शॉट और अच्छा कैच. उतना ही बेहतरीन कैच. आदित्य तारे आउट होकर पवेलियन लौटते हुए. बढ़िया गेंदबाजी वाकरे के द्वारा, जिसकी हम बात कर रहे थे कि गति से या जोर से मारना पड़ेगा, वो आसान नहीं होगा.
He's got to go back to the pavilion for 41. It's 76 for 2.
अच्छा कलाइयों का उपयोग 4 रन के लिए.
लंबा हिट और बहुत ही बड़ा छक्का. श्रेयस अय्यर के बल्ले से कमाल की बल्लेबाजी. और फिर गेंद बाउंड्री लाइन के बाहर और एक विशाल छक्का और अपना शानदार तरीके से अर्धशतक भी पूरा किया. बाउंड्री उड़ाकर खेला है. खतरनाक साबित हो सकता है और फिर से टपका दिया.
He goes up big again. This time it's 6. He's cleared the fielder. Shreyas Iyer. He's turning it on over here at Wankhede. Oh, that's a terrific shot again by this time it's Siddesh Lad.
ये जोखिम भरा हो सकता है, लेकिन नहीं. छक्का यहां पर.
Struck hard. It's 6.
Slow delivery, bottom hand coming off the bat. And this time the catch has been taken. Urvesh Patel taking the catch in the deep. They've put down a few catches. But this one has come, but has it come a little too late?
Siddesh Lad goes for 28. 162 for 3.
Two noises, but that goes the finger now. If there was no contact with the inside edge, it looked pretty good.
He departs for a blob. It's 164 for 4.
Edged and taken. Another one goes down. 2 wickets in the last over and a wicket with the very first delivery of this over. Gurbani finds the outside edge of Shreyas Iyer and a very good catch behind the stumps by Sharma. Full toss has been hit beautifully. One bounce, in fact a couple of bounces.
Edged. Should be safe. Will be 4.
This was hit really hard and runs away to the boundary very quickly. Awesome shot this from Shashank Singh. Catches the call. Well short of long off. One required to win now.
That's the winning shot. Comfortable victory for Mumbai. They made a stiff target look very, very easy. Excellent batting from Shreyas Iyer and Aditya Tare. Siddesh Lad also contributed well. But you've got to say, Mumbai looking very, very strong at the moment.
So confirmation of the match, the Paytm side Mustaq Ali Trophy. Vidarbha batting first, got a healthy score, 181 for 4. Sharma getting a half century, contributions from Wankhede and Patel and Satish as well. And then Mumbai winning very easily, target of 182 achieved with 7 deliveries to spare. Mumbai winning by 5 wickets. And the standout performer with the bat was Shreyas Iyer, 86. Tare made 41.